Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you my exciting new adventure, which is Patreon. I just wanted to go over it. I have had several questions and I want to go over the different tiers. So there's bronze, silver, and gold. And when bronze is $5 a month, and I'll go through what you get for that. And then silver includes all of bronze plus some extra, and then gold includes everything that's in silver, everything that's in bronze, plus more. Plus, after a 12-month membership, you'll receive a free class. Okay, so what I did was I printed all the different tiers on the calendar, because that's how it's going to be kind of rolled out every month. So there's a day for everything. So let's say the bronze, it says you have 4 videos, and that's part of the 52-week challenge. So every Tuesday, there's going to be a challenge. So there's actually going to be more, some months there's going to be more than 4 videos. There'll be 5 videos. And at the end of the year, you'll get 52 challenges. So starting January 5th, it's going to be challenge 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is included in the bronze. And then also in the bronze, you get a sketch version 1. And then usually the digital files will be on Wednesday, late in the evening. But because this was sort of the beginning, I wanted something on my Patreon. So I put up the first digital file. So as a bronze member, you'll get for the challenges every Tuesday, and you'll get sketch, one version, and a digital file. So that's what you'll get for $5. Then the silver, you get the same 4 challenge videos, that digital file, and the sketch 1, but you also get sketch 1 version 2, because we're going to use the same sketch, but we're going to use it in a different way. You get a digital file number 2, so you get a second digital file, and then you get a make a page kit video. So that's silver, which is the $10 a month. Then for gold, again, you get the same 4 challenge videos. You get digital file 1 and 2, sketch 1, version 1 and 2, and the make a page kit. That's what was included in the silver. But then for gold, you get a digital file number 3, which will be on Wednesdays, a sketch number 2, version 1 and version 2, and then you get a making page kit number 2, and then you get a live. And for January 2021, the live will be on the 16th. And every month I'll do this. I'll make sure that I have a calendar so you know exactly what's coming up. Okay, so I want to give a shout out to the 4 people that have already signed up, and I haven't even put this out yet. So thank you, thank you, thank you. There's Karen Rennick, and I'm, again, so sorry if I mispronounce your name. There's Cillian Moran. There's Sherry Steed. And there's a Cynthia. And Cynthia, you know who you are, but I cannot find your last name. I looked everywhere and it just comes up as Cynthia. But thank you, thank you, thank you already. And they've all signed up for the gold Patreon. So I appreciate you guys so much to support me in this way. And we're going to have a lot of fun. And as this grows, and like I said, everything right now, there's the digital file, and then on Tuesday challenge 1 will go up, Thursday challenge or sketch 1 version 1 will go up. So every week, there's some weeks, look at that second week in January, there is going to be 5 videos that, well, 5 things that week. There's going to be a challenge 2, digital file 2, sketch 1 version 2, making page kit, and we're going to have that live. Closer to the, probably in the next day or so, I'll announce the time of the live, and we'll have some fun there too. But that's it. I just wanted to come on here because I had quite a few people that asked me how Patreon was going to work, and also whether or not I'm going to stay on YouTube. absolutely, I'll still be on YouTube. I'll probably have, 2 videos a week or 3 videos a week, but these are going to be exclusive videos just for the Patreon. But that's it. And today is January 1st. So I just want to wish you a happy new year. And my goodness, let's hope that this year is a much better one than last year. Okay, so again, if you're interested in becoming one of my patrons, the link is in the description box below. There's 3 tiers. There's the bronze, the silver, and the gold. And again, I'll have these PDF right into the video so you can see exactly what you'll be getting. But that's it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much again for all your support. Bye.